Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Anastasia, and today actually I am doing a review and an unboxing of the Rode Wireless Go mic. Ooh. I'm actually super excited about these. I wanted to get them in white, but they were sold out, and then I thought about it too. And white is just gonna show up so much more if I'm going to be wearing it with clothing. So black is a little more sleek, and good thing they had it in stock. So with me making this video, there actually is the new, which is the Wireless 2 Go mics, but I am doing the original. The original had some great reviews on it, and it comes in this really cool display box here with all the info, and that shows you everything that is going to be in this mic. So, or in this box. I'm really excited. All right, let's open it. It says ultra compact wireless built-in microphone, 2.4 gigahertz of digital transmission. Since I've been making my YouTube videos, I kind of wanted to up my game and also be able to have something that I can take on the go with me that would be still compact, since I have the Sony ZV-1, which is my primary camera that I use. And the reason I chose this one was because of its portability. It's lightweight, it has really good reviews for just being an all-around pretty user-friendly camera that you can use, vlogging camera. It has a pretty good onboard microphone with it, and it has the little wind, I call it like the little, it looks like a little bunny foot, rabbit foot, but it has a little like wind screen protector on it. But I wanted to start being able to have better audio with not just my videos, but also with starting my podcast. So I thought that I would show you what comes inside of this box if you're going to order it. This cost $193 US when I ordered it off of Amazon. And if you enjoy this review and you've been like on the fence about what mic you should get, I'm gonna tell you why I chose this one, why I'm liking it, and let you hear the quality of sound. But also, I will be putting a link below so that you can grab this mic yourself and be able to have it and kind of up your game with video and audio. And it's also a great one, so I've heard, for podcasts. So I'm starting my podcast, The Anastasia Show, and I wanted to have good audio for when I'm doing that. And this actually, the Wireless Go, will plug directly into my cell phone. So it's awesome. All right, let's unbox this. Whoa. Has a little tab here, which actually that didn't work out so well for it. But Wireless Go compact wireless microphone system. And just opening up this box, this is what is inside. So we have our cord connection cable. I'm gonna guess that's for charging. Comes with a little pouch. It's actually pretty cool, cute. Has a little Rode tag on it. Oh, and they're actually in here and they fit. What? Okay, that's pretty awesome. I do like that. Look at that. It has a little clip on the back. So this is gonna make it easy. It's gonna make it easy to clip on, just like that. Don't know if I'm like a super big fan of it being like bulky like that, but we'll have to see. And right here at the top is actually, oh, okay, so you can attach a little lav mic. That's probably in here too. So you can attach a lav mic there and put That's the microphone if you were just to use this. And then this is a battery light letting you know, oh, and letting you know that it's linked. So it has kind of everything that you would need, it seems, on here. And then this is your, is it called a transmitter, transponder? And it's supposed to give a little digital readout, but I'm literally just opening this right now. So what else is in this box? Okay, another connection port. I'm going to guess that it is for, I'm gonna guess that it is for, I legit just dropped it on the floor. Whoops. All right. Next up, we have a little cute furry windscreen that clips on. It looks like just like that. Okay, that's super cute. I don't know why, but I just think that's really fun. Okay, and then this is good. This is good. This will actually connect, I believe, to your phone. It should. This is the SC cable. SC cable, and then these are the USB-C cables. Okay, USB-C cables, you get 2 of those. SC cable, you get 1 of those. And let's see, I probably should pick the one up off the floor. Let me do that. Alrighty. So both of them have the little clips. You see that? And I have 2 windscreens. I don't know why they gave me 2 of these, because I believe it's just 1 microphone in here. But let's see. It comes with this little description card and this one. I think this is the one we want to read. So this one says Wireless Go Quick Start Guide. Oh, and there's even like pictures. So if you don't understand, actually, it's only pictures. Okay, so let's follow these directions. Looks like this. Okay, so you basically, can I do this even while I'm filming? We're gonna try. All right, so for this little guy, because it shows the screen on here, okay? So I'm guessing that's what it's talking about. We're gonna pull this part off. Nice, shiny. I like shiny. Shiny things are fun. All right, so it says to, all right, taking that off. All right, it says to push this top button right here for 3 seconds. So we're gonna hold 1, 2, 3. Ah, it did it. Wireless Go. And it's on. And it's already charged. Sweet. Wow, this is really easy. Okay. we're gonna do it for the actual mic now. Ripping that sticker off. And it says to do the same thing. 3 seconds. This one is right there on the bottom. 1, 2, 3. Voila! We have lights, camera, action. Okay. So, very cool. All right. Now let's see, testing. All right, so I'm gonna put this little guy, I'm gonna clip him right onto here for me right now. That is very big, that is very shiny. And then I'm going to take this, and I'm actually going to attach it using, I believe, this. Let's see if I can attach it to the camera while we are filming. So first I need to take this guy off. Needed a little more strength. This is what was on it. This was my like wind. Whew, that is actually really feathery. This was my wind tunnel. Not wind tunnel. Why am I saying that? This was the wind protector that was on my Sony ZV-1 because I have the white Sony ZV-1. I have it in white. All right, now this is, wait, let me see. Maybe this side goes in here. Yeah, okay. So now this guy, I'm gonna attach him where I had this guy. Okay, let's see how this works. I'm gonna guess I can just clip it. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. All right, so hopefully that sounds even better, but I won't be able to see until after I'm done recording this. Lights, camera, action. Lights, camera, action. So that was a really easy setup, like probably the easiest setup ever. It fits really nicely on my Sony ZV-1 right now. I wish I could like show you a picture of it. I might be able to do it like this. Let's see. Show you a picture of what it looks like. Boom, that's what it looks like. So you have the camera and the microphone sitting right on top. Oops, microphone sitting right on top, and the connection point right there. So pretty cool. I will say, as far as like being able to be user friendly or just really, really simple, if you are not a super tech savvy person, even if you are a tech savvy person, but you're not tech savvy when it comes to like audio stuff, you're not audio savvy, this is a great microphone. I don't even know what the quality of the sound is yet, but I am going to guess it's like at least 10 times better than the onboard microphone with the Sony ZV-1. But using these wireless Go microphones are, I mean, these Rode ones so far are living up to the hype, in my opinion. I have heard that the 2s are really good, but that's another $100. So I went with this because I figured this is still going to be better than nothing. And this was still within my price range. And I can use it on the go. And I can use it for podcasting. At least that's my hope. So let me know what you think. Comment below. Let me know if you have this mic, if you've tried this mic, if you're gonna get this mic in the comments section. And if you found this to be helpful, and if you want me to do more videos like this in the future, and just kind of sharing with you the stuff, the tech that I'm using, because if I'm using it, you're going to know that A, it's going to be semi-affordable, but still professional. I definitely like things to look and be professional. But 2, that it's gonna be really, really simple and have a really easy learning curve to be able to use these different tech things. So that is it for my review. I would say until I listened to the audio, I can't tell you like 100%. So you're actually going to be able to hear this before I do. But hopefully it's amazing. I'm gonna guess that it's amazing. I would say so far as affordability, user-friendly, a portability, that this is gonna get a 5-star review from me. If you wanna grab this mic, again, link below in the description, and I will have that really easy link, and it will be an affiliate link. So, you know, you will be able to help me out as well as it helps you. All right, until next time, guys, take care.